Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Real Cash. In today's video, I will show 5 genius ways to make money from home using AI. Want to make money from home without grinding 9 to 5? AI is changing the game, and today I will show you 5 genius ways to earn income using simple AI tools even if you are not tech savvy. Hit that like button, subscribe to Real Cash, and let's dive into the future of working from home. Freelancing with AI tools. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to make money from home, freelancing with AI tools. You don't need to be an expert writer or designer anymore. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Grammarly, and Canva can help you deliver high quality work fast. Here is how it works. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour and set up a profile. Offer services like blog writing, ad copy, email marketing, social media captions, or even ebook formatting. Then use ChatGPT to generate first drafts. For example, you can write a full blog post in seconds, just review, edit, and deliver to the client. Design work, use Canva AI to create logos, thumbnails, and marketing graphics. People are earning $20 to $100 per project, and with AI, you can complete more jobs in less time. Use AI to create portfolio samples even before your first client. If you are looking to make money, quick, reliable income from home, freelancing with AI is a smart place to start. Number 2 is selling AI generated art and design. This is very thrilling. Thanks to tools like Midjourney, Dell-E, Leonardo AI, you can create stunning digital art without being a professional designer. Just type a prompt like cyberpunk city at sunset and the AI creates unique artwork in seconds. So how do you make money? Simple. Upload your designs to platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or TeePublic. You can sell printable wall art, t-shirt, hoodie designs, stickers, phone cases, and more. Each time someone buys your product, you earn passive income. No inventory, no shipping. Focus on trending niche like anime, quotes, minimalize, or astrology. Those styles sell really well. Some creators earn $500 to $2,000 per month just from AI art sales. And once your designs are uploaded, they can keep earning you money forever. So if you are creative with ideas and want to make passive income, this is one of the smartest ways to start. And remember, it's not about being a great artist, it's about having great prompts. Number 3, create AI courses or tutorials and start earning passive income from your knowledge. AI is exploding in popularity, and millions of people want to learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI, and more. If you have spent time learning these tools, even just the basics, you can teach others and get paid for it. Create simple beginner friendly tutorials and upload them to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad. You can also start a YouTube channel and earn from views, sponsorships, or drive traffic to your course. Use ChatGPT to help you outline lessons, write scripts, and even generate quizzes or workbooks. You don't need to be a professional teacher, just explain what you know clearly with confidence. Use screen recordings with tools like Loom or OBS. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Courses on AI basics are selling from $10 to $100 plus, and once it's uploaded, it becomes passive income. If you're already using AI, turn that knowledge into a digital product and start earning from it. Number 4, start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Yes, grow a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your voice at all. Here is how. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. Then use tools like 11 Labs for realistic AI voiceovers. For visuals, try Pictory, HeyGen, in video AI to create professional looking videos automatically. Choose a niche like AI news and tools, motivational videos, top 10 facts, business or tech breakdowns. Upload 2 to 3 videos per week and focus on catchy titles, thumbnails, and consistency. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads. Add affiliated links to sell digital products for even more income. Repurpose your YouTube scripts into short form content for TikTok and Instagram Reels to grow faster. Many creators are earning $1,000 to $10,000 plus monthly from faceless channels, all powered by AI. Just think of it. So if you want to stay behind the scenes and still make money online, this is a perfect method to try. Last but definitely not the least, sell AI powered Notion templates. Notion is one of the most popular productivity tools in the world, and now with AI featured built in, there is a huge demand for smart customizable templates. You can create daily planners with built in AI prompts, business dashboards, goal trackers, content calendars for creators. Use ChatGPT to help design the structure, write smart prompts, and even craft the product descriptions. Then sell your templates on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Once uploaded, these templates can generate passive income 24/7. Bundle your templates by niche. For example, a productivity pack for students or a creator toolkit for YouTubers. This increases perceived value and boosts your earnings. Some sellers are making $1,000 plus per month, all from digital products they created once. You don't need to be a Notion expert. Just create something useful that solves a problem and let AI assist with the heavy lifting. If you love productivity, design, or digital tools, this is a perfect way to earn from home using AI. These are the 5 genius ways to make money from home using AI. Tools that are available to anyone and everyone, even beginners. Which method would you start first? Drop me a comment below, and if you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Real Cash for weekly income ideas using AI and digital tools. See you next time. Bye.